morning, everybody. It is 8:06. Charlotte woke up at 5:30 and then I just had her lay with me and we slept until like 7:45. It was so nice. Both the kids are up there playing right now. So we got that going on. Graham's awake. He just hasn't come downstairs. He's gonna go to Costco this morning because his birthday's tomorrow and he wants to have a nice dinner at the house, so he wants to go get some meat or seafood. I'm like, yeah, you can go ahead. So I gave him like a list of stuff that I want him to get while he's at Costco, just because I haven't been there in forever. Mommy. So you guys, Ben got up and he doesn't wear clothes in the morning, so completely used to that. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I am gonna move some furniture around because Charlotte keeps getting into my movies, and which is, I'm not a big deal about the movies because those are so easy to fix. Keep this here? Yeah. So I think I'm gonna put like the changing table in front of that, just because I want to do something.
Where are you gonna put the changing table?
Just
over there?
Yeah. He's excited. So that's what I plan on doing. I did finish my wreath. So. Okay, so I did finish my wreath. I just gotta end the video, so I'm hoping maybe I post that video today. I'm not sure. I have a couple videos I'm gonna post today or tomorrow. I don't know. I know what I'm gonna post today. And then I'll probably post that video tomorrow if I can get it all edited. But yeah, other than that, this is the third time I've had to do this. But what I was saying is, like, Vudu is like an awesome site, but they've been having awesome deals with getting digital movies. Like, there's some movies that I've been wanting to buy and they're just impossible to find on DVD. And they've been having some like good deals, like movies for $5, because I'm such a cheap butt. I don't like spending more than like $5 for movies. So I've been going to the site like every single day, and now they have like a Mother's Day sale, and there's a movie that I've been really wanting, Deep End of the Ocean with Michelle Pfeiffer. I love that movie. Fun fact, they actually filmed that in Madison, which was kind of cool. When we're on our way to Graham's parents' house, the one area where they filmed, it's like right there. Hold on, Benny Pooh. So then, you know, I love that movie, and I've been wanting that movie. I had it on VHS, but I don't have it on DVD, which is weird. But to get it on DVD, it's impossible to get because it's just not available. So I've been wanting to get a digital copy of it, but Amazon and Vudu have it for... Go hang out with Dad. So, Amazon and Vudu have it for $14.99. I don't want to spend $14.99 on a digital movie. So today, I just saw they have it for $4.99, and I'm like, like, that is like the highlight of my day, is getting a stupid digital movie. But I love that movie. I just absolutely love it. And they have a couple other movies, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. What I do is I go and I use like my Walmart gift cards, because you can actually hook up your Walmart gift card to the Vudu website because it's owned by Walmart. And I just been like, you know, getting like a $25 gift card here or there, and then I add it to my account, and then, you know, they got that, and then they've given me credit. Like, when we bought my TV, we got a $75 credit. I got a ton of movies with my $75 credit, and then they gave me like a $25 credit for doing a survey. So that's kind of cool. But my family is calling me upstairs, so hey you guys, so Graham left for work and I'm making lunch for Ben right now. It is 12:02. Charlotte still has not taken her morning nap, so I have a feeling she'll just take one big long nap. But my place is messy. It is, and I feel like I always have to clean just for you guys on camera, and like when you guys prove the point, I don't need to. I just gotta show you guys what I do in regular life. In most of my regular life, I'm just lazy, and that's just how I am. I'm a clean person, like, you know, I'm clean, but I just have a messy place. So that's just who I am. But I was watching Monster House with Ben, and then now I think I'm going to turn a movie on. I don't know what I'm going to turn on, but I'm going to turn a movie on to clean. And then after I'm done cleaning, I'll turn a different movie on. I'm gonna watch That Thing You Do, because I've been really wanting to watch that movie lately. And to buy a digital copy, it's like 15 bucks. I'm like, no way, Jose, no way. So I'm gonna do that. And then while Charlotte's taking her nap, I'm gonna have Ben help me decorate the house up for Graham's birthday. His birthday's tomorrow, and I got him a bunch of goodies and everything But I'm gonna put like the happy birthday sign up. I'm gonna put a bunch of balloons up. I just want to like decorate this place up like crazy. He's not expecting it. I do have a box in the basement of random birthday supplies that I have accumulated through the years that I just put, anytime we have a birthday party, we just put stuff in that box. So I'm gonna dig out as much as I can and put as much out as possible because I really want to decorate this place up. But you guys, I'm just gonna show you, my place is a mess. I gotta clean the countertop, I gotta clean the kitchen table, I gotta clean the floor. So take a look at this, because this is not gonna be picked up, but this is gonna be cleaned, that's gonna be cleaned. I gotta clean up this area. My dishwasher needs to be empty, but I gotta wait for this little girl who climbs on everything to take a nap. Yeah, so I'm gonna clear off half of the things on the table. I got my wreaths that I haven't posted a video for, but you guys will see that. And then there's just some little things here on the floor. I picked up all the movies, but I'm gonna put this changing table possibly right there, just because it's crazy busy. But Ben is watching his show. I'm gonna take these balloons down sometime and save those for when I hit 50,000, whenever that's gonna happen. It usually would happen pretty soon, but I pretty much haven't been doing hardly anything, so there's that. But other than that, you know, I'm gonna have a successful day. I want to get a bunch of stuff done. I'm in my sweatpants today. I'm wearing my Jeffree Star shirt. I have no makeup on. I just have moisturizer. But that's what I want to do. I want to get a bunch of stuff clean. So let's go clean some stuff. Guys, so it has been a while, but I did pick up the living room. I wiped down the countertops, I washed the dishes, I put the dishes away. I just made some homemade soup, you guys. Like, it's my first time making homemade soup. Yeah, so it is 3:34. I'm just having some soup for myself. Charlotte took about a 2-hour nap. Ben's just chilling. It's been raining off and on. But I'm gonna enjoy some soup, and then I am going to start getting the decorations ready. I mean, we have like 6 hours to do this, but we're gonna start doing that because Ben's bored and he wants something to do. But I'm pretty excited. I did make a recipe, a video for this soup, but I did it a whole lot different than what I usually do. So when I post it, you'll definitely need to let me know how you guys liked that editing than what I usually do. So we will see. But yes, let's go have some soup. Hey you guys, so the time is now 8:48. I'm keeping both kids up because we decorated the house for Graham. Grammy will be home probably about less than 30 minutes. But I just dug out like the random decorations. If you guys can see, like we have a pink happy birthday sign that I was gonna put up for Charlotte. I found whatever random balloons I had. Graham and my favorite color is black, so that's why we have a lot of black balloons. But like for a couple years ago, I had a surprise birthday party for Graham when I think he turned 30. So I have a lot of black balloons left because of that. But I ended up putting some streamers right there on the lights. And then I have some streamers, like there's one right there, and then I have one right there, and then I put balloons above Graham's desk. I have balloons above the lights. I just connected them to the little finials, and then I didn't take my 40,000, but I did put balloons on the kitchen. Yeah, I showed everybody that. So that's what we did, and then I worked on cleaning the house again today, but I finished my movie that I've been wanting to watch. Benjamin fell on his face really hard today. He got an owie.
I was chewing gum.
Chewing gum. But yeah, he fell on his face. I like watched him. He was across the street and like, Benjamin, you get over here now, and he tripped and fell on his face. So I had to run out there and get him. Yeah. So we're gonna film you what Graham.
My mouth and had it.
Okay, we're gonna film you guys, or film Graham's reaction when he comes in the door. So we'll see. I gotta grab my camera.
Is this okay if I have this?
You shouldn't, but if you need it, go for it. I'd rather have you eat that than other things. But yeah, we're gonna try to film Graham's reaction and see what he does. So let's go get ready for his birthday, even though it's tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's 9:27. Graham got home. Ben wanted to go for a ride around the neighborhood, so they're coming in right now. I locked the door, so they'll both come in at the same time. So Ben probably spilled the beans, but let's surprise Graham.
Ben told me
Oh,
a special treat in here for me. Ooh, happy birthday. Jennifer, it's not my 40,000th birthday though.
that's fine. You're 40 years old. Come on, get used to this.
40. Hi.
Charlotte's all happy that Daddy's home.
Daddy, you know what I found? I made a water
Hey
balloon.
guys, so now the time is 9:42. I just put Charlotte to bed. She was just not having it. It's like hot as heck in my house, but it gets super cold at night, so we can't like turn the air conditioning on. But I have one window open down here and I have one window open upstairs, so it'll get super cold quick. But Graham really liked the decorations that I put up, even though none of it makes sense. And then I made homemade soup, like I was telling you guys earlier, and he really enjoyed it. He's like, this is probably the best I ever had. See, Graham, just give me a try. Give me a try. So there's a cat hair on my lens. Okay, but I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Graham does not work tomorrow because it's his birthday and his parents are coming to visit, just sitting in the car.
Why are they in the car?
They gotta sit in the car. They're not gonna get out again.
Father and stay inside.
They can't come inside because of the virus.
Present?
They got Daddy a present.
Only present they have for
Ben's
me.
worried that he doesn't get a present.
I
So.
want a present.
Okay, but we will see you guys all tomorrow.